Alright, you guys. Basically, I came home from doing this cut that I'm about to show you guys, and this was sitting outside. It's from Conair, all right? And we all know Conair is basically, I don't know, I think it's Babyliss, I wanna say, but I know it's a clipper company, okay? Crying out loud, we're gonna open it up. We're gonna see what's in here. Like I said, Babyliss in the building. We got a blow dryer. This blow dryer right here is by Rob, the original. Dope blow dryer, okay? Dope white and gold blow dryer. We got that. Then we got, ooh, what is this? Limited edition boost. Ooh, is these the clips? No, these ain't these is the regular ones. Ooh, got that titanium blue gold. Blue. Why did I say gold? I'm tired. That's what it is. This titanium blue and black. This one's hard, man. This one's hard. All right, you got that. Then we got this black and gold one. Got this black and gold. We got that. And last but not least, we got a cape. Not a cape, but like an apron. Pretty dope. I'm about to open those. I'm not gonna open the blow dryer. I'm definitely gonna open these up and show you guys what it looks like. Let's go. All right, here's the liners. That blue looks great, man. It looks dope. Here's the clipper. This clipper looks clean. Both of them come with one of these charging dock. And let's take a look at that black one as well. All right, and this is the black and gold. This one looks nice, man. They both look nice, man. I appreciate you guys sending me these clippers. Hey, Babyliss, thank you guys, for real, for real. It makes me feel part of the team, okay? I don't know what it is, but you guys are making me feel a part of the team, okay? Even though I'm not a part of the team, I feel like I belong somewhere. Like, seriously? From the bottom of my heart, I know somewhere deep down in my heart that you guys still love me. Okay. Alright, you guys. Shout out to Babyliss, though. Appreciate it. Enjoy the video. Stay tuned. I'm out, though. Peace. Alright, you guys, so before I start cutting, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pin the hair on top, making sure everything is neat. You don't want to have any hairs hanging over that parietal ridge area, so I'm just gonna pin them up, brush the hair down, make sure everything neat before I start cutting. Now the first guideline I'm going to set is the bald line using my new Babyliss FX trimmers. I'm going to set the bald line lower than normal. That way I could get a greater transition in my blend. Next, I'm gonna make sure the bottom half is razor bald using my Stylecraft shavers. I'm not gonna go all the way to the line. I'm gonna leave a little bit of room so you can see that bald line transition. Next, with my Andis cordless masters with the lever fully open, I'm going up about a ½ inch, making sure I keep that same width all the way around, making sure I go over the guidelines multiple times to ensure it's at that lever open length. So in the same way that I set the lever open, I'm doing the same thing with the one guard with the lever open. I'm going up about a 1/2 inch, making sure that I keep that width all the way around, going over the guidelines multiple times to make sure it's at that one open length. So right here at the top, I'm gonna damp the hair. This way it makes the hair lay better. To me, I found it better than just going in on a dry clipper over combing that area. So I went ahead and just made sure that that area is laid by damping it with water. Next, I'm gonna clipper over comb the top. What I'm doing right now is building shape, also blending that one into that bulk at the top. So how I clipper over comb is I set the comb in the shape that I want the hair to go in. All right, so whatever direction that I have the comb going upward is how I want the shape. So whatever sticks out from that, I just, with my lever fully closed, I just take off whatever is sticking out of that comb. So once I have the shape the way I want, I go back with the one guard with the lever open, and I'm just cleaning up that area between the one and the bulk that I have on top. All right, so in a flick out motion, I'm just kind of flicking out, going with the shape that I want up top. Now keeping that one guard on, but just closing the lever. In a flick out motion, I'm softening up that middle line. That way you could take it out a lot easier with the next step. Now that the middle line is softened up, as you can see, it's going to be a lot easier for you to put on that zero guard with the lever fully closed, and in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. All right, attack the line from below and flick to the line. So the same concept goes for the bottom line. I got my lever halfway. Basically in a flick out motion, I'm just softening up that bottom line. That way it could be a lot easier taken out with the next step. Now with the lever fully closed in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Remember to start below the line, flick to the line, and if you need to adjust your lever as you go up. So lastly, what you want to do is detail your work. Detailing is the most important part of doing a fade or a blend. What I like to do is I like to utilize my mirror. The mirror shows you a different perspective on the blend that you can't see just head on. All right, so make sure you utilize your mirror. Make sure you utilize your corners. Use them as thinning shears and, you know, knock out those bulk areas with the guards that you used, and make sure you use your corners with the guard as well. Next, I'm gonna take out my clips. I'm gonna saturate my client's top with water and basically, you know, get everything neat before I start, you know, using my shears. Now, when it comes to my shears, I'm gonna work at the front. He wants like an inch off the top, so I'm gonna work in the front and work my way back, side to side, check my work on top, and make sure the left side blends into the top. Listen, let me tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in a full 360, and they come out looking like,
damn, son, we make it look easy.
YouTube, this is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother. He does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure you guys go give him a follow. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok is official360Jeezy and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here.